In the Fox 2 Fast Lane, Stellantis has major plans in the works. The automaker says it expects to release dozens of new models over the next 4 years, and at least 9 of those will cost less than $40,000. This is part of Stellantis' plan to improve business and grab a bigger share of the market. The move is made to combat the continuous rise of costs when it comes to new cars. Right now, the average retail price for a brand new vehicle in the U.S. is above $51,000. Speaking of rising costs, we have reported numerous times about the price of gasoline. Prices hovering at nearly $5 a gallon in places, but car maintenance is also being affected by rising fuel costs. Jason Lyon with Preventative Automotive Maintenance Association says things like oil changes and routine maintenance are going to cost well over $100 if the war in Iran continues. Some major automotive brands are telling their dealers to prepare for a motor oil shortage. Autonomous vehicle maker Waymo has suspended some of its services due to safety concerns. The robo-taxi company recently announced Waymos will no longer drive on freeways. The change is happening as the company updates its software in an effort to enhance performance around flooded roadways and construction zones. Before this nationwide pause, Waymo had been expanding access to freeway routes in select markets, including Michigan. Waymo has been spotted in and around Detroit and are permitted on freeways in Michigan. The automaker has not given a timeline of when they hope to resume operations. In the Fox 2 Fast Lane, I'm Dave Spencer.